Day 4 at AAHAR 2026 continued with strong momentum as visitors explored innovative technologies and solutions shaping the future of food and hospitality. Across multiple halls, exhibitors showcased advanced kitchen and hotel equipment designed to improve efficiency and performance in modern hospitality operations. Energy-efficient refrigeration solutions also attracted strong interest, highlighting technologies essential for food preservation and cold chain management. Digital innovation remained a key highlight, with software and service providers offering smart solutions to streamline hospitality operations and enhance customer experiences.
The ITPO setup, they have given us a good platform out over here. There are a lot of footfalls happening here and people from different segments of the industries, from chefs to distributors to wholesalers who are visiting us.
So far the experience has been fantastic. The companies have had some very good contacts. This year a level I would say has been upgraded of the overall exhibition.
As AAHAR 2026 moves towards its grand finale, the fair continues to buzz with innovation, networking and new business opportunities. Visit the exhibition before it wraps up and download the AAHAR app to make your experience seamless.